Passenger manifests are the record most people reach for when tracing an immigrant ancestor, and the value is in the columns nobody reads. Early manifests are sparse, but from around 1906 onward, they became remarkably detailed. They typically record the passenger's last place of residence, the name and address of the nearest relative in the country of origin, the name and address of the person they were traveling to join in the United States, physical description, and sometimes birthplace. That last item, who they were going to, is the single most valuable field because it names a relative already established here with a street address, which frequently unlocks an entire branch of the family. Manifests are searchable through the National Archives and several genealogy platforms. Search phonetically and by ship and date when a name search fails, since names were recorded by clerks working across language barriers. Our research team uses arrival records as the bridge to living descendants. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.